Alright, hello. So I just wanted to make a tutorial on how to get the purple amethyst from the Whispering Depths without triggering a fight between the enemies here. Um, I would not recommend this for an honor mode run unless you really know this method. Um, because it's a little finicky and requires a bit of timing. Um, you can see that my game is modded here. However, the method that I'm about to show you is completely vanilla because all you really need is a level 2 or 3 rogue, class action hide, and the class action dash that comes with the rogue class. You also need a scroll of featherfall or a featherfall spell if you know it, and the Spiderstep Boots. So I personally like starting out at the well because it's the closest to the Spiderstep Boots. And to get to the Spiderstep Boots, you would just go over here to your left from the well entrance into this research area. In this research area, you would go over to this heavy chest, the iron one, and you would get the Spiderstep Boots out of this right there. After that, you would go back around and you see this cliff face that is highlighted. You can climb up this. You don't need to hide yet because none of the enemies will come this area. Go across this spider web. Make sure that you have the spider step boots equipped before you try to walk across any webs at all because you will trigger the spiders to aggro. And you go across this spiderweb bridge, and then you will come to this area. I would recommend saving here, but I'm doing it in one. I'm gonna try to do it in one shot. So just to show what would happen if you were to say be in honor mode where you can't reload. Um, Here you would cast Featherfall, and then hide.
Stepping softly.
And then you would jump down to this second step right here, and then wait. Especially because you need to be careful with this enemy here because they're going to go from here over to there. Yep. And I would recommend going as soon as they move and stay at that other spot. Then you have free reign to just walk over there and avoid all the enemy line of sight cones over there. Now, if you're not playing in honor mode, I would recommend saving in this area because this area has no enemies. Um, uh, because right here is the finicky part. um, so you're going to have to keep a good watch on the Spider Queen right there. As soon as she turns away, I would recommend moving and then going down the cracked rock face. This little guy will also be a problem.
I wonder what's hiding down in all that darkness.
Yeah, shut up, Astarian. Yeah, just generally avoid the line of sight cones. As you can see, I almost got spotted, but I moved out of the way just in case. This little area right here is a blind spot for both the queen up top and this little guy right there. So you will not be spotted. Grab the dark amethyst. Then as soon as you see that red cone move, climb and then run away as soon as you can. This is generally the area that you might get spotted if you try this for the first time. If you're a rogue, make sure you just hide again and then dash away because once you get to this area right here, you're pretty much in the home stretch. Once again, this enemy, make sure that they just moved so that you can move past them to the little stair area that you were at before, and then jump down here. Well, walk down there, you don't have to jump. Walk down there. And I'm going back to the well, so I'm going to this area right here. The spiders will not see you past this skeleton body right here. So keep hiding so that they don't initiate combat. And then you're back at the Well, congratulations that you snuck past all those teleporting spiders. And you got the amethyst.